So we got Bulgarian split squats. By far the best way to set this movement up is with a barbell and chucking a barbell pad on that barbell. This is way better than doing it on a bench. Your foot's gonna be way more comfortable here as well. So Dill's gonna step out away from the barbell. He's got a dumbbell in each hand. If you need to start with no weight at all, just start like that. We're trying to focus on that front leg as much as possible. So we really don't want to load through that rear leg at all. Dill's just stepping slightly further forwards because it wasn't as far out as it needed to be. We're gonna come down, drive through that forwards leg. We want plenty of knee flexion over toes here. Don't worry about that knee coming forwards. I know that these suck, but they're such a good workout for quad hypertrophy, and we're also getting some glutes in there as most dudes don't train their glutes. Control the descent on this movement. Don't just come down and bounce straight back up. See how Dill's getting a nice pause at the bottom and then driving through. We don't want to just be bouncing through our reps.